Assalamu alaikum everyone. Starting with the name of Allah who is most merciful and beneficent. Today lecture is about overcoming creative blocks. But before that we must understand what is creative block. So this is lesson outline of today lecture. As you know, so many people face these blocks while doing their work, me also. Creative blocks are mental barriers that prevent individuals from addressing their creative abilities. They can manifest as frustration, self doubt, or lack of inspiration. For example, you want to write a story, but after writing a few lines, you feel stuck. You don't have any new idea coming in your mind. That's we call writing block. And these writing blocks affect your creativity. These blocks are the reason that you can't finish your work and you left your work undone. Now I will tell you about the importance of addressing creative blocks. As mentioned in the slide, understanding and overcoming these blocks is crucial for personal and professional growth. It allows individuals to express themselves freely, innovate, and solve problems effectively. For example, if you are suffering from a disease and you don't know about the root cause of that disease, then how can you cure it? So, in the same way, if you do not know the root cause of your creative blocks, you can't overcome it. It's very important to figure out the root cause of these creative blocks. There are some common barriers that faced by every individual while they way on creativity. The first one is fear of failure. There are many people hold back from being creative because they are afraid of making mistakes. Fear can often take over people's thoughts and feelings, making them give up on things they really care about. Because this can leave them feeling regretful and unfulfilled in their lives. Another common barrier is perfectionism. Perfectionists often set high standards for themselves. This can cause stress and block their creativity, especially when writing. If you want everything to be perfect, it will become very difficult to complete your task. There are several questions will be coming in your mind like, this sentence isn't good enough. I need to find the perfect verse. What if my writing isn't interesting? These are all the questions that continuously popping in our mind while doing our work. Another barrier is self-doubt. Some people struggle with feelings of not being good enough or criticizing themselves too much. This can make them doubt their creative abilities and feel less confident. They might feel hesitant to share their ideas with others because they are going through of self-doubt. When people are not confident in themselves, how can share their ideas with others? This is also a prime barrier in creative blocks. Deadlines, outside expectations, and market demand can create a lot of stress that negatively impacts creativity. When people feel overwhelmed by these pressures, it became difficult for them to come up with new ideas or express themselves honestly. This stress can block their imagination and take away the fun of the creative process, ultimately making it harder for them to create work that matters a lot because they become so habitual to these external pressures. Today, in a fast changing world, when people feel they don't have enough time to be creative, it can block their ideas. They may rush through their work or skip creative activity because they are busy with their own tasks and they don't have enough time to spend on their creative activities. So, overcoming these creative blocks, there are some techniques that will help you a lot to overcome these barriers. The first one is embrace imperfection. Give yourself permission to create things without worrying about the results or perfectionism. Set aside free time for your creativity and for implementing your ideas in practice, where you focus on expressing your ideas without fear of judgment. This approach reduces pressures and enables you to do things with confidence. The second technique is reframe your failure. View failure as a learning opportunities rather than setbacks. Reflect on what you can learn from each experience. This mindset shift fosters resilience and encourages risk taking, which is essential for creativity. Setting your routine is also important for overcoming these blocks. Establish a dedicated time and space for creative activities, allowing you to consistently engage with your creativity. A routine helps to condition your mind for creativity, making it easier to overcome blocks. Because setting a routine is a gateway to success. It will guide you to the new ideas, perspectives, and how to be more creative by seeking. It will help you a lot to create something new and be more productive in your work. As you know, slow and steady wins the race. Like a famous proverb, you have to set some smaller goals. Break larger projects into manageable tasks. Focus on completing one small aspect at a time. Achieving small and actionable goals can generate momentum and foster a sense of accomplishment at the end of task. And in this way, you will find enthusiasm in your work. Practice mindfulness means you have a clear idea about what you are doing, your thoughts are clear, and your goals are clear as well. So, incorporate mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Mindfulness promotes clarity of thought and can help tap into deeper creative resources by quitting the inner critic. Be mindful about your thoughts. Whatever you're putting in your mind, it will affect your creativity. So these are all the techniques that you need to overcome your creative blocks. If you are facing a creative block, practice these techniques and it will help you a lot to overcoming your blocks. So concluding this, creative blocks are common challenges faced by individuals across various fields. Recognizing these barriers and employing effective strategies can significantly enhance creativity. So this is the assignment for you all. First of all, you have to identify which kind of work you like the most and bring sense of joy into yourself. Like drawing, designing, writing, teaching, cooking, etc. Then you have to describe a recent time when you felt stuck or uninspired while working on a creative task. What was you feeling during this moment? Did you ever try to overcome these blocks? If yes, then how? Share your feedback in comment box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Always remember, blocks are temporary and creativity is internal. Allah Hafiz.